And then you have, I think we actually tried it a couple times in here, a little bit to the left there in July, but then bought it on August 18th, where that green arrow is. So like, we were tracking this as one we wanted to own, but it just never gave us a low risk entry point. So as you can see on Bob's chart, we have the behavior analytics is like what we like to call them the Fab Five. So you can see that those stayed pretty strong, and RPR, relative strength, is something that we really pay attention to, especially when we're screening, because we want to be in the strongest names. So this was one that stayed strong, but again, never gave us an entry point. So on August 18th, we finally got that. So
Bob, that little pivot there. Yeah.
Yes, that three tight areas there, or those three tight bars. Marky, again, fill in anything.
Yeah, I mean, this one was just kind of classic in terms of going through the process of what we would, look at buying, mainly because it wasn't in a stage 2 uptrend. For those who aren't familiar with that, read Mark Minervini's book. We have, the trend stage indicator in terms of our platform, but this is really the first buyable base. Stock has this big run. And obviously what looks expensive to everybody else is attractive to us because that's when it wasn't ready for a low risk entry.